Alright, hey guys, got a couple more squirrels tonight. I've got a couple since I made the last video, but weren't really nothing special. So, I'll show you guys these ones. I know I said I'd make a video on skinning them. I will. I just gotta find a camcorder so I can stop and start, because my battery won't last long enough to do the whole thing. But, well, I shot this squirrel first. It's bigger squirrel, and you can see I hit him a little low. I flinched or something and took him through the shoulder. So he dug into the ground, took off running, and I left him for about 10-15 minutes waiting for another one to come out. And this one came out, and he sat down, was facing me like this, and I told myself I don't really feel like chasing anymore, so I knew what my gun was capable of and shot him right through the eyeball. Came out through the back of his head there. And then I continued and found this one. He was hanging onto the side of a tree, and I just put one right there through the side of his throat. But yeah, a little squirrel and decent squirrel. Taken with the Benjamin Trail NPXL 1100. Both squirrels were shot at about 30 yards. With Crosman Premiers that come in the cardboard box, 14.3 grains. And till the next video, guys, see ya.